Well, can't say we were really ready or planning to renovate our 2013 36RL trailer, but I think you get the idea. Yeah, it's happening. Why is it happening? Well, the dehumidifier should give that away. Yeah, we had a leak. I think basically up in this corner, I think what happened is I left winterizing just a little too long to close it up. There was no problem with the water in the plumbing part. That had been done long ago, but we had the slides out, and the snow came and the ice came and built up on top there, so I closed it up with some ice and snow on there, and I think it jammed up, and so the slides didn't completely seal. Then when the snow and ice melted in the spring, now you got a gap, and now the water came in, and I didn't check it until middle of the summer, and so that's where we're at. So this is all ripped up. Ripping up underneath there was kind of tricky. We just basically cut it right at the very edge of that after we took off the strip. It's still, you can still see it's still wet there, of course. So next trick is, I think I want to get rid of that little thin strip of carpet right there. That piece there. And in this photo you can see that I have taken up that strip of carpet in front of the slide out. What I'm going to do down here, we're going to put down that vinyl click flooring. I'm not sure what they call it. Not the sheet goods like the original brown here, but the vinyl sheets. So similar area here, I believe, is this the slide out for the bedroom didn't quite seal as well, so we had water in here. I had water damage at the bottom of the casings. I've actually had to cut the bottom of the casings off, the bottom 3 or 4 inches of the casings off, because they were all swollen. I'm not really sure what I'll do there, but I'll have to maybe make up some new casings out of pine or something and stain them. But you can still see that we have water damage here as well. So I think next trick is to pull the bed and everything out and pull out this carpet out of here as well. And then the flooring guys will come in and we'll pick out some flooring for both the bedroom and for the living area. And then we'll have new flooring. The fun just never stops. Okay, when you're pulling up these small little staples, they're holding down, mainly they're holding down the foam under padding. I find these little pinchers about the handiest. Just get them over their little staple and just pull them up. Don't push too hard, you'll cut the staple. So you don't want to do that. Just boom, come right out. Come right out. Well, that one you can't get at. Okay. So let's try this one. No, it's too low. I can't even grab that one. So what do? Stick the awl in. Tap a little bit. Pry it up. Now the staple will be sticking up. So now you can grab it and pull out your staple. So that's the method that I found is working the best for me. So if you're doing a similar project, I'm trying to do this one-handed too. That makes it even difficult, but it's okay. Grab on hold of it. Got the staple. Just keep working it. So when you think you've gotten all the staples, do what a body shop guy called a braille test. It's like, oh, okay. Just run your hands just like that. Your fingers will feel any little minor imperfections. You're going to feel little minor imperfections where you've already pulled a staple, because there's going to be a bump or a divot or a hole there. Just run your hand over there. You'll feel those staples. Get your awl out, tap, bring them out, suck them out of there. Just keep on going. You can see there's a whole bunch of them across here. Just keep at it. The slide goes over top of the carpet, but the carpet is locked in underneath the slide. So what I've been doing to get that clear so that I can basically put my new flooring underneath here is just going along with my pliers, grabbing little hunks and pulling it out. So it's basically rip, tear, shred, rip, tear, shred, rip, rip. Seems rather slow, seems rather laborious. However, I can't seem to find a better way of doing it. Anyway, just curious if anybody has found a way to do this, or I'm overthinking this, or carry on, I'm doing the right thing. Okay. So the other thing I should have showed you is the bottom of the bedroom door, and you can see where the water is. A little bit of mold. Bottom plate on the door has swollen. The edge is swollen. The actual plywood of the door has swollen up. Not sure what I can do there. Might have to sand it flat and then maybe put a nice little strip of metal across the bottom here, just like a kick plate kind of thing. Just, I don't know. Fun. So the other thought I had was I might be able to cut off approximately an inch off the bottom of the door and simply rehang the door an inch lower than it is. That might work. The last three pitches just show the door casings. 2 of them on the bedroom door and 1 on the bathroom door. The bottoms are totally gone, so I had to cut off 3 to 6 inches off the bottom of each door casing. So that's where I'm at the moment. A few more things to do, obviously. The bedroom floor, it needs to be pulled up, but I have to get the mattress out of there. I have to get the actual the spring part of the mattress out of there. I don't know if that whole box comes out of there. Then pull the whole bedroom carpet out of there. And then this is nearing the end of August. We plan to go camping on the 18th of September for a few days with my daughter. So we're going to do that without the flooring, and then after that get the flooring company to come in and lay the flooring down. The other thing I wanted to consider, and if somebody can answer me, is the island. To do the flooring underneath the island, can I pull the island up? I know there's going to be water lines, there's going to be drain line, and there's going to be the power lines in there. Can they be disconnected? The island, just a few screws and it lifts off? I have no clue. If somebody has gone into this work and done this and can help me out with that, that would be perfectly acceptable to hear your suggestions. Okay, thanks a lot and wish me luck.